What if I told you that the little black box sitting under your TV in 2025 might just be the most underestimated piece of tech in your entire home? I'm talking about the brand new Apple TV 4K. And before you brush it off as just another streaming device, hear me out. Because Apple has quietly been setting the stage for something much bigger than just Netflix and Disney Plus. And for Kath, isn't just about watching shows. It's about Apple transforming your living room into the central hub of your digital life. A command center that pulls together entertainment, gaming, smart home, health, and even immersive AR experiences into one seamless package. For years, Apple TV has been seen as a niche product, a luxury add-on for those who wanted premium streaming quality, but in 2025, Apple is pushing to make this device the beating heart of your home. The same way the iPhone became the beating heart of your pocket. Imagine walking into your living room after a long day, and instead of juggling remotes, apps, or logins, your Apple TV instantly recognizes you, pulls up your personalized dashboard, queues up your favorite show right where you left off, shows you notifications relevant to your day, and even syncs with your Apple Watch to detect if you're stressed or tired, suggesting a relaxing playlist, a meditation app, or even a calming nature documentary in stunning HDR that might sound futuristic. But that's exactly where Apple is heading. They don't want this to be just another Roku or just another Fire Stick, because those gadgets are cheap, functional, and disposable. While Apple is betting on performance, intelligence, and ecosystem integration to completely redefine what a streaming box can be. According to leaks, the 2025 Apple TV 4K could feature the same chip architecture used in the iPad Pro lineup, meaning performance that blows away anything else on the market. Apps opening instantly, buttery smooth navigation, console-quality gaming through Apple Arcade, lag-free switching between live TV and apps, and live sports enhanced with real-time interactive stats on screen. Imagine watching an NBA game in crisp 4K HDRN with a simple gesture pulling up player stats, win probability graphs, or even fantasy updates, all without breaking the flow of the game. That's the level of power Apple wants to deliver, making this feel less like a box for TV and more like an entertainment computer designed specifically for your living room. But where Apple is truly doubling down is on artificial intelligence. Past Apple TV generations gave a Siri voice search, which was helpful but basic. Now, Apple is reportedly building advanced AI that doesn't just respond to your commands, but anticipates your needs, understands your mood, and personalizes the entire experience to you. Instead of endless scrolling, Apple TV might already know you're in the mood for a thriller because you've been watching suspense series lately. Or it might suggest a workout session if it detects through your Apple Watch that you've been sitting for too long. This is Apple's vision of the future, personalized, proactive, and deeply integrated with the devices you already own. And while the box itself may look like the same sleek, minimal black design that blends into your TV stand, the inside could undergo the biggest upgrade yet: faster Wi-Fi for flawless streaming, Bluetooth 6.0 for more stable accessory connections, and support for smart home standards like Matter and Thread, which would allow Apple TV to act as the ultimate smart home hub. Instead of juggling multiple apps and devices, your Apple TV could give you full control of lights, thermostats, security cameras, locks, and more, all from the couch with one simple remote or even just your voice. Picture dimming the lights, locking the doors, adjusting the temperature, and starting your favorite movie all in seconds, all without switching apps or pulling out your phone. And that's not all. Apple has been heavily investing in immersive technology, and insiders suggest the 2025 Apple TV 4K could become the brain behind a new level of entertainment by integrating with Apple Vision Pro, Apple's mixed reality headset. Imagine watching a film where instead of just seeing it on your TV, you put on the headset and the Apple TV instantly projects a massive cinema screen in front of you, or even blends the content into your real living room with augmented reality. Suddenly, you're not just watching a show, you're inside an experience. This is where Apple has been heading for years, carefully aligning hardware, software, and services into an ecosystem that feels futuristic yet practical. But let's be real. Apple products always bring up the question of price. While a Roku or Fire Stick might cost under $50, the Apple TV 4K has always been positioned as premium, and leaks suggest the 2025 model could start at $149 to $179, with a possible Pro version ranging from $249 to $299, offering more storage, more gaming features, and higher performance. At first glance, that feels expensive, but when you consider that this single device could serve as your streaming hub, gaming console, fitness coach, and smart home controller, the price starts to look like an investment in convenience and integration rather than just another gadget. And timing is everything. Apple is expected to launch this in fall 2025, likely at the same event where the next iPhones are unveiled, reinforcing Apple's ecosystem strategy of tying everything together. Their genius isn't just in selling you one product, it's in selling you a lifestyle that works better the more devices you own, making it almost impossible to leave once you're inside. Of course, not everyone needs this. If your only goal is streaming Netflix or Hulu in 4K, cheaper devices get the job done. But if you're already in Apple's ecosystem, with an iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, or iPad, then this Apple TV 4K upgrade might be the missing piece that finally makes your home feel fully connected. Think about multi-user profiles that adapt to whoever's using it. Seamless AirPods integration with spatial audio that makes movies feel like you're in a theater. Fitness Plus workouts displayed in crisp 4K HDR while your live heart rate and calories burned show up on screen. And gaming experiences that rival what you'd get on a console powered by that little black box under your TV. Apple's strategy is simple but powerful. They want Apple TV to stop being the extra and become the essential, the centerpiece of the living room, just as the iPhone became the centerpiece of your daily life. And the implications go far beyond TVs. This could redefine how we think about home entertainment, exercise, relaxation, and even how we interact with technology in our most personal space. For families, it means a smarter system that adapts to kids, parents, and guests with ease. For gamers, it's a device that brings console-level quality without needing a separate system. For smart home enthusiasts, it's a hub that brings every device under one roof with Apple's signature polish. And for entertainment lovers, it's a step toward a future where your living room is not just a place to watch, but a place to experience. So here's the bottom line. The Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just another refresh. It's Apple's bold move to redefine the living room, merging entertainment, AI, gaming, smart homes, and even augmented reality into one product that feels less like a streaming box and more like a lifestyle upgrade. And when the time comes, you'll face a choice. Stick with the basics or step into Apple's vision of the future. But be warned, once you experience it,